we can get to connect with senior leadership, R&D team, commercial teams of BD to further strengthen the partnership at all levels of organization. Technovision event, which is conducted in various cities across India, enable partners to have all new development, current changing requirements from agencies at their doorsteps.
I think this is a very good initiative by BD, and it's getting improvised year by year. And as a company, as you would know, with Biocon, we have a strategic partnership along with BD for the disposable pen, and are already now touching the regulated markets. So such type of meetings further enhance and help.
BD Technovision program of 2017 was quite interesting, and I am looking forward for this 8th season as well. Given the fact that the experts delivered topics were mindful last year, and we could able to grasp substantial inroads on the drug delivery devices.
Greetings. Technovation is a platform BD has created with customers from our pharma industry to share as a platform for knowledge and showcasing innovation that addresses patient needs that we all are working on. BD has a rich legacy of introducing innovation over the past 120 years. We are the first to introduce insulin syringes, flow cytometry instruments, gold standard technology for TB, to name a few. More than our innovation, it is the partnerships that we have worked on that are the bedrock of our success as well as our existence. Our partnerships with government, ministries, multilateral agencies, customers like you are what BD is known for. BD is a $16 billion, 65,000 plus employee company which is present globally across 190 countries. We have a very strong presence in India with over 1,000 employees. Our partnership with you, our pharma industry customers, goes back 17 years in India. We have been successful in launching innovative solutions in packaging for your drugs like prefillable syringes, auto injectors, self-administered devices, and safety engineered devices, to name a few. We actually look forward to discussing in here, which can lead to some more solutions that we can bring to India. I wish you all the very best in having a very fruitful and enriching day today. Thank you.